Ever snapped a photo you loved only to find it's just a little too blurry? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix blurry photos in Photoshop so you can rescue great memories, sharpen up those landscapes, or just give your edits a professional touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a simple process to quickly bring clarity back to your images and make them look their best using just a few tools in Photoshop. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first. Open up Photoshop on your computer. If it's your first time using Photoshop, don't worry. Everything we're doing is beginner-friendly. Go ahead and open the blurry photo you want to fix. You can drag and drop the image or use the File menu, then Open. Wait a moment for your image to load. Once it's right on your workspace, take a second to look at it and identify which parts look the softest or most out of focus. Getting familiar with your image helps you choose the best sharpening settings in a minute. Next, we're going to head up to the top menu and click on Filter. It's one of those powerful tools in Photoshop that can transform your photos in all kinds of ways. Hover over Filter, then move down to Sharpen. There's a handful of sharpening options, but today we're going to use Smart Sharpen. Go ahead and select Smart Sharpen. If you're wondering why we picked this one, it's because Smart Sharpen gives you much more control over the sharpening process. So you can tweak and customize the result for your exact photo instead of applying a blunt fix. Now, when you click Smart Sharpen, a new window pops up with a few sliders and options. This is where you really bring your photo back to life. You'll see sliders for Amount, Radius, and Reduce Noise. Here's what each one does. Amount controls how much sharpening is applied. Think of it like turning up the clarity knob. Radius determines how many pixels are affected around the edges. Setting this too high can make the image look unnatural. And Reduce Noise helps you avoid making the image look grainy or harsh. Take your time adjusting the Amount slider. For most blurry photos, somewhere between 100% and 200% works well. But try moving the slider and watching the preview of your image update. Pause for a moment and look closely. Does the photo look crisp without picking up strange halos or noise? If things start to look weird, dial the Amount back a touch. Now, adjust the Radius slider. For portraits, a smaller radius, usually around 1 to 2 pixels, is safer. So the sharpening only impacts the important edges. For wider landscape shots, you might push it a little more, maybe up to 3 pixels. Again, watch the preview as you adjust. Photoshop lets you see everything in real time, so trust your eyes. And don't forget Reduce Noise. Sometimes sharpening can exaggerate little grainy patches, especially in low light shots. If you notice that happening, slide Reduce Noise up gently until things smooth out. Remember, you're aiming for a natural look, crisp details, but no crunchy textures. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click OK. Photoshop will process your changes, and in just a moment, you'll see your photo sharpened and revitalized. If you want to compare before and after, you can undo and redo the step a few times to see the difference. Often, the transformation is pretty dramatic, almost like giving your photo glasses. And that's it. You've taken a blurry photo and sharpened it up using just a few clicks in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want advice for a specific image. And if you want more easy, practical Photoshop tips like this, hit subscribe so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.